dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Governor Godwin Obaseki has warned politicians against using the affairs of the palace of Oba of Benin as a campaign tool ahead of the September 21st governorship election in Edo State. Moving on, we have the former People Democratic Party Board of Trustee, Honorable Charles Idahosa, has dared Obaseki to quit PDP for APC. But guys, before we commence fully with this news, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as it is hot. In case it's the first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed with the news. The Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, who spoke after a closed-door meeting with the suspended dukes at the residence of Professor Akinzuwa in Benin City, warned politicians against using the affairs of the palace of Oba of Benin as a campaign tool ahead of the September 21st governorship election in Edo State. Godwin Obaseki warned all of them that they should be very careful because their royalty is a unique inheritance they have as a people, and they must therefore preserve it and ensure that they do not allow the corrosive influence of politicians to affect their heritage. He said that they all can see from the display in Benin City last week that politicians are attempting to hijack and distort the issues at stake. So there are fundamental issues which by God's grace they will resolve, but they will use the medium to appeal to politicians from all shades to please desist from playing politics with the royal family and the palace. Professor Akinzuwa in his remark also exonerated Governor Godwin Obaseki from allegation of being behind their suit in court, which is challenging their suspension as dukes. From the look of things, they say now Obaseki now starts the issue. That is clear to them that they are really the one behind all the issue. That if a man wants to lie, you can know that from the movement of his mouth. So Obaseki is behind whatever thing that is happening in the palace. That if not, who is this Enoge standing close to the governor when he was speaking about this issue on Channel TV to say before that they can settle out of court? Enemies of the palace in one photo. What a shame. Now the masses are saying that no reasonable Edo man or woman would listen to what Governor Obaseki is saying. That is a two-faced governor. He said the Enoges have issue to resolve with the Oba before settlement can be made. So since when that one starts? It is the audacity for Obaseki to say that they should not use the palace to play politics. It is well. Power is transit. I don't know anything regarding the issue happening in the kingdom, but from the statement and their body language, there's a problem within those circles in the interview. Moreover, they are telling him that he's not the only governor who has governed Edo State. So he has been the one playing politics with the Oba Palace. Governor is 8 years maximum. The throne is hereditary. So they don't know how he intended to fight the throne, knowing fully well that the Benin people and the palace are inseparable. And he was wrongly advised by those criminal elements who feels that they can create their own kinship. So now, so many persons are suspecting Governor Godwin Obaseki, saying that it is very clear that Godwin Obaseki is the rat eating the palace, at the same time blowing it very clear in his statement he made during the interview. So now the people are telling him that he had grievance and he has destroyed himself with it. So as it stands now, he has no political relevance after his tenure because he's a real-own betrayer. Best thing now is for Godwin Obaseki to desist from the matter. He has his administrative job to do, so he should go and do it and give the people of Edo State what he promised them during his campaign, and let his royal father take care of his institution the way he sees it fit. He's the father and he knows how to handle his children. So Godwin Obaseki should stay away and mind his administrative affairs. It's not too much to ask. But wait, this one way Godwin Obaseki don't talk like person wey hand on meat. Just few minutes ago, hey, be like everywhere don't read. Godwin Obaseki don't gentle. Power indeed is transit. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to yours. Moving on to the next one. The former People Democratic Party PDP Board of Trustee member, Honorable Charles Idahosa, recently resigned his membership of the party in Edo State, and he has rejoined the All Progressive Congress, his former party. He also challenged Godwin Obaseki to mention names of those he alleged to have been financially induced to join the APC. He also spoke at a press conference where he returned back to the All Progressive Congress APC, and he was received by the leadership of the party amid jubilation. He was advised that the APC in the state to close rank and work assiduously in ensuring that Obaseki and his political godson and candidate of the PDP, Asi is not allowed to win the September 21st governorship election. Apparently, Idahosa retaliated by Obaseki's comment that those leaving PDP have been given money and that the party will soon win 80% of the vote in the forthcoming governorship election. So now Idahosa is saying that the greatest thing that will be for the APC is to allow Godwin Obaseki to win again. Idahosa said he could remember when Godwin Obaseki came to beg him like a weather-beaten chicken, that how much did he give to him? He said anytime Godwin Obaseki goes to religious gathering, he will be saying those leaving PDP have been given money. That the greatest regret he has was not allowing Godwin Obaseki to resign after his first 4 years in office. That he came to him 3 times in his house to say that he wants to resign, that he was tired of being governor, but he appealed to him telling him that it was not about him, but the Edo people. That Godwin Obaseki is suffering from delusion of grandeur by saying that he would win 80% of the vote. Where will he get the votes? That's the question he's asking Godwin Obaseki. So right now he has urged the APC members in the state to unite, saying that this is not time for division in the APC, that they will return Edo State to APC. He also lashes out at those underrating Senator Monday Beholo's qualification to be governor, saying that doing so is like underrating Chief Gabriel Igbenedion, the Sama of Benin, who they said didn't go to school, but he became the first black man to own a Boeing 747 and who has trained many graduates and owns a university. Earlier, the secretary of the Edo State chapter of the APC, Engineer Lawrence Okai, while introducing Idahosa, says that he was a founding member of the party. So they are all here basically to receive him back home because he went on sabbatical. He then called on the chairman and secretary of the Ihunwode local government APC to issue the party membership card to Idahosa, who he described as the Odoyi of Edo South politics. In his comments, the former deputy governor of the state and the leader of Edo South APC, Dr. Pius Odubu, said that he is very elated to have their senior brother, Honorable Charles Idahosa, back, to have a former board of trustee member of another party join their party. That is a good catch anytime, any day. So they are happy to receive him back home and they are happy to work with him in this forthcoming election, governorship election, to emerge Monday Obebholo as the governor of APC. Right now, they are trying their best in order for them to remove PDP from Edo State. They want to bring back APC in Edo State. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying with us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, your awareness. Stay safe, guys.